Now today's topic is how's my family? Now my family is amazing. They're healthy, they're well, and they're happy. For example, my mother, she's going to do a marathon soon. Marathon? My mother's gonna run a marathon, so she's super excited. And recently, one of my cousins just got married. And they're planning to have maybe children in the future, so that's very exciting. My grandma and grandpa are going on vacation to Hawaii soon, so that's very exciting. And also my brother and his girlfriend are also going on vacation too. They're going to Thailand and Dubai. And also my brother he's busy with work and he's a little sad, but he's saving up money for important trip and also maybe buying his own house in the future. And also my dad is still selling seafood. He's a businessman and he's just working really hard, and I miss him, but I know he's happy and he's well. So that's it on today's topic on how's my family, and they are great. Thank you.